Hello, in this video I will show you how to add placeholders to your template, and also I'll explain what placeholders are. So you can go to DocuGen board view like this one and click on the placeholder page, or you can open DocuGen item view and access placeholders from there. So let's open DocuGen generate item view. Then we can click on settings, click on placeholders page, and here we will see four different sections of placeholders. So the first section of placeholders is about you, the Monday user, the one who is generating this document. So you can show different information about yourself as a Monday user in the generated document. So maybe you're generating an NDA like this one that I have as an example, and maybe you want to say that this NDA was generated by. Then we can go back and click on the username, and you see that the moment you click, you don't have to click on the icon, you can also click on the name of the placeholder. It will copy the placeholder, and now we can paste the placeholder into the template. So what is a placeholder? Placeholders are these little weird things. You can see we also have placeholders here. So basically we are using placeholders to pull in information from the Monday board for that specific item and for that specific column or some user detail, and show it in the generated document. This allows us to generate to use one same template and generate any number of documents for any number of items. You can format these placeholders any way you want. Like you would format this text, you can format the placeholders. For example, you can change uh, font, change size, you can make them bold, highlight them. Really, you can do anything as long as you don't make any changes to the placeholder itself. So we should not put any additional characters inside of the placeholder. It will work fine. And you do that for every piece of information that you would like to show in your documents. So here we have a company information, then we have the board information, and then this is probably the most useful section for you, which is board columns. So all board columns that you have in your Monday board, they will be listed here, and you can easily click on the relevant uh, column. It will copy the placeholder holder of that column. Now we can go back to the template and paste the placeholder where we want it. So this is probably client's name, and then we paste the placeholder. Now you can put the placeholder uh, like this in a separate line. You can put it inside of a paragraph like this. You can also add it to the header, uh, add the placeholder to the footer. Uh, it works amazingly well with tables, so you can create a table and add any placeholders in the table as well. Uh, and the same process applies for the DocuGen board view. Let me show you. So you go to the placeholders page, and you will find the same placeholders there. Uh, there is a small addition to the placeholders in the board view. We have item tables. If you would like to show information for multiple items in one document, then you can create different item tables, and then you will be able to select which columns on the item level you would like to show in that table. So let's maybe show just the item name and the date. You can also apply filters. And when you apply filters, so let's apply this filter. It means that only items who meet this criteria, so uh, we, only those items which have this status label will be shown in the document. You can click here to preview to see how that table will look. At the moment, only one item has this label. If if you're ready to go, you can copy the placeholder and then you can go to your template and paste the placeholder. And this item table, as the name suggests, it will always be created as a table. So for each column that you selected here, so there are two columns. It means this table placeholder will have two columns as well. The header line shows the names of the columns, and the body will list out all the items that should be shown in this table based on the filter that we applied. Or if there are no filters, then all items in your Monday board will be shown there. Thank you and cheers.